Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal defense attorney here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section that we can respond by video. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was arrested due to a confusion of name. Criminal attorney, Vallejo. False arrest, Vallejo. Accused of crime, Vallejo. Let's see. I work in a ranch. One day the police arrived and I was arrested. They were looking for a man who has the same name as me and lived in the area. They accused him of planting marijuana here in that ranch. I had a DUI in the past and didn't finish the school. What do I do about these two cases? Well, first of all, let's focus on the DUI. See, you could have a couple of problems not having finished your DUI school. The first one is the obvious one, which is you can't drive. Because your license should still be held because of the DUI. Driving, having a DUI suspension on your record would be a violation of Vehicle Code Section 14601.2, which carries up to 6 months in the county jail. So you definitely should enroll and complete your DUI school so that you could legally drive. Now, here's the other issue. You're going to have to check with the court on this one, because while you were on probation, one of the conditions of probation when you were on probation for that DUI is that you completed your DUI school. Now, if through some miracle the court did not learn that you never did the DUI school, or that you never completed the DUI school, then you shouldn't have any problems with court, because once your probation period is over, your case is outside the jurisdiction of the court. But if the court found out that you didn't do your DUI school while you were on probation for that DUI, it's possible that you got a warrant. It's a good possibility that you have a warrant for that DUI, and the police would have executed that warrant. They would have executed that warrant when they did that false arrest. Now, let's talk about the false arrest. If the police, out of good faith, like if they legitimately believe that you were the person they were looking for, any evidence against you that they find based on the false but honest arrest can be used against you. For instance, let's say they find you in possession of a large amount of controlled substances, even though they were looking to arrest somebody else. Hey, as long as they legitimately believed that you were the person that they were looking for, they can use the evidence against you. If they discovered that you had the warrant for DUI, normally they wouldn't have the right to use that against you, because a false arrest would be a fruit of the poisonous tree. But in this situation, if by good faith they did go to you, arrested you, and they found out that you had the warrant, oh yeah, that false arrest, although erroneous, can still be probable cause to charge you with a probation violation, even though the basis was false, as long as it was good faith. Obviously, if it was bad faith, then the whole thing would get thrown out. But and eventually, when they see that you're clearly not the person they were looking for, the new case is going to be thrown out, at least against you. But at the very least, you need to go to a DUI school and enroll and do your DUI classes, finish the classes, because you don't want to get caught driving with a suspended license, because your problems will just accumulate more and more and more. So please do your DUI school. If you have the warrant out of the courthouse that discovered that you never did your school, you need to have an attorney add the matter on calendar, talk to the judge to have the warrant recalled, and get a re-referral to do your DUI school. Do that DUI school. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section of the videos. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of an extortion by his own girlfriend. Criminal attorney, Vallejo. Arrested for a crime, Vallejo. False arrest, Vallejo.